What's happening, everyone? Got another hard reset for you. Today we are going to do the Motivate Pro 5G. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password and you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, we'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if there's anything important on the phone, it will be deleted. And if you guys want to see anything special or a special kind of reset that you guys are having trouble with, just drop a comment. We'll try to get that up for you sooner than later. We got a ton more stuff coming up. So if you haven't subscribed yet, we would appreciate it if you could. Otherwise, let's get right into it. Get your volume up, volume down, and power button right there. And what you want to do on this one is you want to hold volume up and power. And I'm going to start by holding, I'll do it from this angle so you guys can see it better. Start holding volume up first, then hit power. Once the phone turns off, I let go of power. This one came up really quickly. You guys can see that. You want to use volume up is to scroll, and then volume down is to confirm. So we'll scroll to recovery, and then we'll hit volume up. I'm sorry, volume down to confirm. And sometimes it takes a minute to actually kick in. There it goes. And then it loads your options for the recovery, and you want to scroll down to use the volume buttons to scroll and the power button to select. So we'll scroll down to wipe data factory reset, hit the power button, confirm, hit the power button. Now it's resetting. Once it's done resetting, you can either turn it off or restart it. In our case, we're probably just going to turn it off. It will take you to the welcome screen, and then from there you can navigate it to the home screen and set it up however you wish. This deletion is taking a while. Look at that. Formatting data. All right, there you go. All done. So we can either reboot, and like I said, we're going to take it down to backwards to the power off. And that's it. And that is how you do a hard reset on an AT&T Motivate Pro 5G. If you guys have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Appreciate it.